This video covers the standard polar equation of a circle centered at the origin. A polar equation is usually expressed as a function of the form r equals f of theta. The function can be plotted as r against theta using polar coordinates. The polar equation for a circle of radius a is simply r equals a. This means that for any angle, the distance of the point from the origin is a, which of course describes a circle. To illustrate the curve, we will use a value of 3 for a. Here is the point where theta is 0, r is 3, so the point is 3 units along the x-axis. Here is the point on the curve where theta is half a radian. Here is the point where theta is 1 radian. Here again where theta is 1.5 radians. In each case, the point is a distance 3 from the origin. Here are the remaining points for values of theta from 2 to 6. Any point on the curve will be 3 units from the origin, so the complete curve will form a circle of radius 3. If we were to choose a value of 4 for a, the curve would form a circle of radius 4. If we were to choose a value of 2 for a, the curve would form a circle of radius 2. In general, the curve r equals a will be a circle of radius a centered on the origin. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to the channel or visit 10minutetutor.com following the link below.